you might be paying for 5G network but not actually using it. There's one important setting that could unlock faster speeds instantly. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone fully 5G compatible. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Tap on Settings. Tap on Mobile Service or Cellular, depending on what it says on your iPhone. Tap on Mobile Data Options. Tap on Voice and Data. Make sure your setting is set to 5G Auto, so your phone will try to connect it to 5G when needed for performance, while at the same time optimizing battery life. 5G On will connect to 5G whenever it is available, but sometimes it's not optimal and may reduce battery life or performance. For example, it will keep searching and trying to use the 5G network when it's weak in that location, while a strong 4G network is actually better, so I would not recommend using this option. In some cases where your phone does not support 5G network, select LTE instead. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.